I didn't expect to feel sympathy for a cursed spirit, but Hanami really challenged my thinking. He never saw himself as evil, just as nature's balance pushing back. That stuck with me. The fight against Hanami at the Goodwill event was cinematic, and revealed just how strong he really was. His concept came from something so real, our own environmental destruction. In a way, Hanami reflects the pain of forests burned, oceans polluted, and life ignored. Watching him fall felt tragic, like watching the last tree in a forest being cut down. Hanami's ideology reminded me that not all enemies are heartless. Some are born from truths we avoid. I love that Jujutsu Kaisen gave depth to even its villains, and Hanami is a prime example. His death didn't feel like a victory, it felt like a warning. Hanami may be gone, but what he represented, our connection to nature, still echoes in my mind.